निशांत, स्वागत है आपका साई ज्ञान सागर में। तो देखते हैं हम केमिस्ट्री के कुछ क्वेश्चंस। द एसिड प्रेजेंट इन विनेगर CH3COOH। विनेगर typically contain 5 to 20 acidic acid by the volume. Usually the acidic acid is produced by the fermentation of ethanol or sugar by acidic acid bacteria. When a lead storage battery is discharged, H2SO4 is consumed. When a lead storage battery is discharged, H2SO4 is consumed. Lead acid batteries are capable of being recharged, which is important for their use in a car. Discharging the storage energy release on both the positive and negative plates become lead second sulfate and the electrolyte, losing much of its dissolved sulfuric acid. When a lead storage battery is discharged, H2SO4 is consumed. Consumption chemical is a decomposition and formation of oxidized product. Combustion chemical क्या है? इसे combustion chemical is a decomposition and formation of oxidizing product. Combustion chemical is a decomposition and formation of oxidized product. Combustion usually occur when a hydrocarbon react with oxygen. हाइड्रोकार्बन रिएक्ट करता है ऑक्सीजन के साथ to produce carbon dioxide and water. In the more general sense, combustion involves a reaction between any combustible material and oxidize to form a oxidized product. Cinnamic acid is prepared by Perkin reaction. It can be prepared by the oxidation of cinnamyladine, condensation of benzene chloride and sodium acetate, followed by the acid hydrolysis and Perkin reaction. Cinnamic acid is prepared by the Perkin reaction. Unacademy. Paper, don't worry. Acidic acid present in vinegar CH3COOH. When a lead storage battery is discharged, जब कब डिस्चार्ज होते तो H2SO4 is consumed. Combustion chemical is the decomposition and formation of oxidized product. Cinnamonic acid present in Perkin reaction. The number of isomer in the aromatic compound with the formula of C8H10 is 4. Trimethylene benzene is called mesotylene. Benzohydride on treatment with chlorine in the absence of catalyst give p-chlorobenzoyl. Cyclic acid is presented by Kolbe's reaction. Which of the following substance is used for preservation of food gain? तो sodium benzoate preservative. Sodium benzoate is the preservative with E number E211. Tartaric emetic is a potassium antimony tetraide. Antimony potassium tetraide, also known as a potassium antimony tetraide. Potassium antimonetary is a emergetic tetraide. Has formula is this. The fourth electron in atom will have the 4 quantum number as B 0.5. Mass number of an element represented proton and neutron. Mass number of element represent number of electron and proton. Mohr salt is NH4 to FeSO4 to 6H2O. Don't have time to read. The absorbent used in a color chromatography method is silica, aluminum, carbon, all of the above. The number of orbit in F shell energy level is 7. In the periodic table, the element present in the group 3 to 12 are known as D block. The D block element are found in a group 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 of the periodic table. D block element is known as the transition metal. The d orbital filled with the electronic shell is n-1. The effect will represent the splitting of spectral lines by the external magnetic field. The effect of represent the splitting of spectral line of external magnetic field is Zeeman effect. Formalin is used as a preservative. Formalin is used as a preservative. On the right hand side of the periodic table are non-metal. A solution of sodium acetate. A solution of sodium acetate in water is turned red litmus to blue. Which of the element is most electronegative? Fluorine. हार्डनेस ऑफ द वाटर इज ड्यू टू, जो हार्डनेस होती है वाटर की वो होती है बाइकार्बोनेट ऑफ कैल्शियम एंड मैग्नीशियम. हार्डनेस ऑफ द वाटर इज ड्यू टू द बाइकार्बोनेट्स ऑफ कैल्शियम एंड मैग्नीशियम. केमिकल ब्रेकिंग सोडा इज सोडियम बाइकार्बोनेट. केमिकली ब्रेकिंग सोडा इज सोडियम बाइकार्बोनेट. The number of isomer of the aromatic organic compound with the molecule formula HC7H8O75. Which of the following is present in the fruit juice and suckle? Sodium benzoate. कॉपर सल्फेट सोल्यूशन इज एसिडिक इन नेचर ड्यू टू द हाइड्रोलाइसिस. जो कॉपर सल्फेट सोल्यूशन होता है इन एसिडिक इन नेचर ड्यू टू हाइड्रोलाइसिस. कॉपर सल्फेट हाइड्रोलाइसिस इन वाटर टू गिव क्यूपरिक हाइड्रोक्साइड विच इज अ वीक बेस एंड सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड विच इज अ स्ट्रॉन्ग एसिड. सो हाइड्रोजन आयन इज मोर देन हाइड्रोलाइसिस आयन इन वाटर. As a result, the solution is acidic. The release H plus ion of hydrolysis make the solution distinctly acid. Which one of the following does not contain silver? Which of the one of the does not contain horn silver, ruby silver, lunar caustic. इनमें से कौन सा कंटेन सिल्वर को नहीं करता? तो जर्मन सिल्वर नहीं है. What is the mixture of potassium nitrate powder, charcoal and sulfur? What is the mixture of potassium nitrate powder? What is the mixture of potassium nitrate powder, charcoal and sulfur called is gunpowder. Biogas mainly contain methane. Biogas mainly contain methane. Acid rain is caused by the pollutant Na2O and SO2. Na2O plus SO2. Acid rain is caused by the chemical reaction that is begin with the compound like sulfur dioxide and nitrogen dioxide released into the air. These substances can be rise very high into the atmosphere where they mix and react with water, oxygen and the other chemical to form more acidic pollutant known as acidic rain. Acetylene salicylic acid is commonly used as a painkiller. A painkiller is acetylene salicylic acid. Aspirin is also known as the acetylene salicylic acid. Is a medication used to treat the pain, fever or inflammation. Specific inflammatory condition which is aspirin is used to treat including Kawasaki disease, periodic and rheumatic fever. Don't have time to read the. What is the mixture of potassium nitrate powder, charcoal and sulfur oxide? Gunpowder. Biogas mainly contain methane. Acid rain caused by the pollutant of Na2 and SO2. Acetylene cycline is commonly used a painkiller. Which solution have the highest boiling point? 1% of solution of sodium chloride in water. The disaccharides present in milk is lactose. Natural petroleum is a liquid mixture of paraffin, hydrocarbon, C5C15. Which gas is commonly filled in giant balloon? Helium. Which of the following is supercooled liquid glass? Which of the supercooled liquid glass? Glass is sometimes called as a supercooled liquid because it does not form a crystalline structure but instead form a amorphous solid that allow molecule in a material to continue to move. However, Scientific American indicate that amorphous solid are neither supercooled liquid or not solid. Which of the following gas may cause acid rain in an industrial area? Which of the following gases may cause acidic rain in an industrial area? SO2. Which of the following gas is used to bulletproof screen reinforced glass? Which of the substance is used to retard the setting action of the cement? Which of the substance is used to retard the setting of action of the element CAS gypsum to add a cement linker to retard setting action is cement. CAS2HO. Formalin is used as an antiseptic purpose. Formalin is used as an antiseptic purpose. Volcanization is the process of adding sulfur to rubber. Volcanization is the process of adding sulfur to the rubber. Where is the one most radioactive substance? Not तो पैलेडियम, यूरेनियम, थोरियम, रेडियम. पैलोडियम is a chemical element with the symbol of Pd and atomic number is 46. It is the rarer and illustrate silver white metal other than radioactive substance given. When quicklime is added to water, heat is liberated. When quicklime is added to water, heat is liberated. This reaction occurs when the water is added to dry Portland cement to make concrete, and heat evolution of energy as heat it evidence because of the mixture of the warm. Volcanization is the process of adding to the sulfur to rubber. Calorie value in order to fat, carbohydrate, protein. Fat is a lipid. A molar solution is one that contain 1 mole of the solute is 1000 ml of the solution. The acid present in a lemon is citric acid, malic acid. What product is given anode when COSO4 H2SO4 electrolyzed to CO? The ray that do not contain the material particle. Is gamma ray. A gamma radiation is a penetrating electromagnetic radiation arising from the electroactive decay of the atomic nuclei. It consists of the shortest wavelength electromagnetic wave and it so impact the highest photo energy. The state of the hybridization of carbon in diamond is sp3. sp3 hybridizes in a diamond and graphite sp2 hybridized. Biogas, mainly methane. Acid rain caused by pollutant of Na2SO2. Acetylene cyanide commonly is a painkiller. Which solution is the highest volume 1% of solution sodium chloride in water? Discarded present in milk, lactose. Natural petroleum is a liquid mixture of paraffin, hydrocarbon 6,5,6 C5 to C15. Which gas is commonly filled in giant balloon? Helium. Which of the supercooled liquid? Glass. Which of the gas may cause the industrial area? SO2. Which one of the glasses used a bulletproof screen is a reinforced glasses? Which has substance used to retard setting action of cement? CaSO4 H2O. Formalin is used as an antiseptic purpose. The state of hybridization of carbon, diamond sp3 or graphite in sp2 hybridization. The ray that do not contain material particles gamma. Which product is given out the anode? SO2 is CO. The acid present in lemon, citric acid. The molar solution one of the contain 1 mole 100 ml of solution. Fat is a lipid. Calorific value is the order of fat, carbohydrate, protein. Volcanization is the process of adding sulfur to the rubber. Which of the not a radioactive substance? Palladium. Which quicklime is added to water? Heat to liberate. Optical isomer have neither A or B. Plane symmetry, center of symmetry, both A and B. Optical isomer are named like the because of the effect of plane polarized light. Simple substance which slow the optical isomer exit as two isomer known as anemometer measure. A solution of 1 antimeter rotate the plane unpolarized of the clockwise direction. This sentence is known as to neither 1 or B. The element which is the maximum number of isotope in nature. The element which is the maximum number of isotopes in a nature to uranium. How can a give colorless liquid is treated whether it is a water or not? How can a given colorless liquid be tested whether it is a water or not? Smelling, tasting. मतलब हम कैसे कलरलेस लिक्विड को टेस्ट कर सकते हैं कि ये वाटर है या नॉट है. स्मेलिंग से, टेस्टिंग से, या एडिंग फिनोथोपेलिन से, या एडिंग अ पिंच ऑफ हाइड्रोस्कोपर सल्फेट. विजुअली सम ऑफ द वाइट कॉपर सल्फेट विल बी टर्न ब्लू. दिस इज easily observed when water is added to hydrocopper sulfate enough heat to release make the water bubble and boil. हम कैसे पता कर सकते हैं कि भाई कोई लिक्विड है वो पानी है या नहीं है. तो उसके लिए हम क्या कर सकते हैं, उसमें हम पिंच ऑफ हाइड्रोलिस कॉपर सल्फेट को जब ऐड करेंगे और हीट करेंगे तो क्या होगा, वाटर जो होगा तो वो बबल के रूप में बॉयल होना स्टार्ट हो जाएगा. तो इससे आइडेंटिफाई हो जाएगा कि ये वाटर है. फॉर वट पर्पज इज एल्यूमस यूज फॉर डाइंग फॉर द क्लोथ। जो एल्यूमस होता है वो यूज़ किया जाता है ड्रायर के लिए क्लोथ में। क्यों किया जाता है? बिकॉज इट इम्प्रूव द लाइट कलर डाई एंड कीप कलर क्लियर। इट इम्प्रूव लाइट्स कलर, जो इम्प्रूव कहता है लाइट कलर डाई एंड कीप कलर क्लीन। एल्यूम पोटेशियम एल्यूमिनियम सल्फेट इज द मॉडर्नेट मोस्ट frequently used by the dyer for the protein animals and cellulose plant fibers and fabric. It improve the lights and fartness wash fartness of the all natural dye and keep color clear.
क्या आप कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स की तैयारी?
Polymer of amino acid is protein. Polymer of amino acid is protein. Amino acid are the natural unit that make up protein. They join together to form a short polymer chain called a peptide, or longer chain is called a polypeptide of protein. These polymers are linear and unbranched, with each amino acid within the chain attached to or neighborhood amino acid. Which gas is used in the preparation of soda water? तो carbon dioxide. Which gas is used in a preparation of soda water? Carbon dioxide. Carbonate water is a water. Carbonate water is a water that has been infused with carbon dioxide gas under pressure. This produces a bubbly drink that is known as sparkling water, club water, soda water, sanitizer water, and fizzy water. Which of the following compound give iodoform reaction? तो methylene ketone, a chemical reaction in which a methylene ketone is oxidized to carbonate by reaction with aqueous HO minus and I2. The reaction is also produce a iodoform CHI3, a yellow solid which may be precipitated from the reaction mixture. The oxidation number of C is oxalic acid is H2C2O4. The oxidation number of C in oxalic acid H2O4 is 3. Cooking oil can be converted into vegetable ghee in the process of hydrogenation. Hydrogenation is the process in which a liquid unsaturated fat is turned into the solid fat by adding hydrogen. During the manufacturing partially hydrogenated processing, a type of fat called trans fat made. Still, food manufacturers continue to use partially hydrogenated oil to save money. Which is the element of fermented beverage? Wine. Wine is the essential fermented fruit juice and most often fermented grape juice. The product wine grapes are harvested and crushed, producing juice. In general, the longer that fermentation goes on, the more sugar is converted into alcohol, result in a less sweet and more alcoholic beverage. Oil of the wintergreen is methylene salicylate. Oil of wintergreen. Methylene silane oil of wintergreen. Wintergreen is an organic ester naturally produced by many species of the plant, particularly whiter green. The compound was first extracted and isolated from plant species Glotoria 1843. Transboundary pollution or acid rain is caused by nitrogen oxide and sulfur oxide. The chemical name for vitamin C is ascorbic acid. The chemical name of vitamin C is ascorbic acid. Milk is the example of emulsion. Milk is the example of emulsion with the fat particle. Milk is a emulsion with fat particles dispersed in aqueous watery environment. The fat globes do not coalesce, form a separate layer because they are protected by the membrane layer which keep the fat particles separate from the water phase. The mass number of hydrogen is 1. Bakelite is obtained from phenol and formaldehyde. Bakelite or polyoxymethylenediamide was the first plastic made from the synthetic component is the thermostatic phenol and formaldehyde resin formed a condensation reaction of the phenol and formaldehyde It was developed by the Bengali-American chemist Leo Baekeland in New York in 1907.
Don't have time to read
The dehydration, the body lose sodium chloride. Dehydration. During the dehydration, the body lose sodium chloride. The hormone that contain the hormone that contain iodine is thyroxine. The vertebrate biological iodine is the primary function of constitute the thyroid hormone toxin T4 and thyroxine T3. These molecules are made from addition condensation product of the amino acid tyrosine and also store prior to release an iodine containing protein called thyroglobin. Greenhouse effect cause a heating of earth surface. Greenhouse effect cause heating earth surface. The hybridization carbon in ethane. The hybridization of carbon in ethane is sp3. Which among the following option is the weakest? Ionic bond, covalent bond, metallic bond, hydrogen bond. Which among the given below option is the weakest? To hydrogen bond. The reason hydrogen bond occurring in a because of electron is not shared evenly between the hydrogen atom and negative charge atom. The result is hydrogen atom carry a weak positive charge, so it remain attached to atom that still carry a negative charge. Ornamental gold contain copper. Which was used to produce artificially rain. तो silver iodine, silver nitrate, sand, copper oxide. तो silver iodine which used to produce artificially rain. For the unusually cloud seeding or weather modification is an artificially way to induce moisture in the cloud so as cause a rainfall. In the process, either silver iodine or drying ice is dumped onto the cloud by using an aircraft on artillery gun which lead to rain shower.
क्या आप कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स
The metal involved in the galvanization process is zinc. Artificially rain silver iodine. Galvanization or galvanizing the process is applying protective zinc coated to steel or iron to prevent rusting. The most common method is hot dip galvanization, in which the parts are submerged in a bath of the melting zinc. The alcohol used in preparation of dynamite is glycerine. Glycerine. The basis of dynamite is nitroglycerin. Manufacturing by the reacting glycerine with the concentrate nitric and sulfuric acid. You simply drip glycerine into a mixture of acid and the nitroglycerin collect at the bottom. Why there is a spluttering sound when water is sprinkling on hot oil? Where there is a spluttering sound when water is sprinkled on hot oil. Boiling point of oil is higher than that of water. When water is sprinkled on hot oil will splatter because the oil is at a temperature near over 100 degrees Celsius or 212 degrees Fahrenheit. This create a bubble into the oil and the bubble popping make the splitting sound. Which of the following generally used as a dehydrating agent? HClO4. Perchloric acid generally used as a dehydrating agent. Wood is a preserved from attack by the termites by the material marked as a crystalline oil is mixture of gasoline and tar. In a gobar gas plant, which of the gases release methane? The ethylene heat neutralize in constant for strong base. The ethylene heat of neutralize is constant for strong acid, strong base. The molarity of the solution 4G of NOH in 250 ml is 0.4 m. Victor Meyer is associated with determination of vapor density. Victor Meyer is the associate with determination of vapor density. He is the best known as inventing an apparatus for determining vapor density, the Vicott-Meyer apparatus for discovering thiophene and a heterocyclic compound. A peptide is a polyimide. The oxidation number of chromium is CrO5 6. CrO5 6.
Want to fit more books into
The indicator used in tetranation between KMnO4 and FeSO4 are none of these. AE plus nRT, EN plus nRT. The shape of methane is tetrahedron. The shape of methane is tetrahedron. pH 7, pOH is 7. These pH and pOH value are the figure very similar. When pH 7 to pOH 7. The Lewis base among of following is NH3. The non-reducing sugar among of the following is sucrose. The non-reducing sugar among of the following is saccharose. The one which is not a collocative property is viscosity. This one which is not a collective property of viscosity. The ion that does not cause hardness of the water S2O3. The calcium magnesium ions cause hardness. The calcium magnesium and ions cause hardness that they are stop the lathering should be apparent in the distilling water and test tube. To S2CO3. Rocket fuel is a hydrolyzed and denitrogen tetraoxide. The hydrazine N2H4 and denitrogen tetroxide N2O4 reaction system widely used as a liquid propellant of the spacecraft and rocket. Match this thing. Nuclear fusion. Nuclear fission is atomic bomb. Nuclear fusion hydrogen bomb. Nuclear fusion in hydrogen bomb. Radioisotope helium. Radioisotope helium. X-ray medicine. Compound that does not the compound that decolorized bromine water is ethylene. Compound that decolorized bromine water is ethylene. Power alcohol is a mixture of ethylene alcohol plus petrol. Power alcohol is a mixture of ethylene alcohol plus petrol. Which of the following is a transition element? Copper. Which is the following is a transition element? Copper. The isotope NS4 contain all of the 7 electrons, 7 proton, neutron. An atom chlorine and atomic number 3 mass number is contained. It is a nucleus 18 neutron. Starch is a hydrolysis given by the glucose.